Whiskers the cat had always been a curious feline, but today he was utterly mesmerized by the new ceiling fan in the living room. The blades spun hypnotically, and Whiskers' eyes widened as he tracked their every move. Suddenly, he leapt into the air, paws outstretched, trying to grasp the elusive fan blades. His first attempt ended with a comical flop back onto the couch, but Whiskers was undeterred. He clambered up to the highest bookshelf, determined to make a successful catch this time. As he pounced, he misjudged his timing and ended up dangling precariously from the curtain rod, causing it to come crashing down. Amid the chaos, Whiskers landed safely on all fours, his dignity slightly bruised but his spirit unbroken. Nearby, his human family couldn't help but burst into laughter, capturing the entire episode on video. Later, they added it to their collection of funny clips, which already included